Good morning everyone, and in today's video, Asus Zenfone 10 with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, latest memory and flagship camera. At least that's what it says on the spec. The box is not that big, it is thick. Are we going to have a case? That is the question. Is this a case? Yes, we do have a case. Great success. Beautiful case. And stickers, manual, and a book. Huge book. Will no one read that? And there it is. A case included, which is great. Tiny smartphone in oceanic blue. What else do we have under the smartphone? Accessories like charger. Come on. Charger. USB Type-C charger. I think I already said that 3 times. And cable. So we basically have it all. All accessories you need are in the box. You don't have to buy anything else. Well, there it is. Nice. Hard plastic. In black. Gentle. Slide it up.
Wow.
And there you go. In oceanic blue. Beautiful. It's a soft surface. It's a soft. On the right you have a fingerprint sensor and a power button, volume buttons, antenna, microphone, antenna, headphone jack, which is great. On the left there's a lot of antennas. And on the bottom, SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C, antennas, and speaker. And of course, huge cameras. Let me power it on. Or maybe let's put the case on. Whoa, why the case is so tight? Okay, wait a minute. What's going on? Come on.
Listen, I'm not sure about that case. The case is really tight on the smartphone. It's like one size too little. Well, it's strange. It's so tight. It's too tight.
And there it is. And it is very, very small compared to the Nothing Phone 2. It's tiny. But it has a soft back. Is this scratch resistance? Definitely a fingerprint. Okay, we can see a little bit of fingerprint, but just a tiny bit. With that blue, beautiful color, oceanic blue. It's fantastic. And it's soft. It's quite thick. It is a thick device. Has a fingerprint sensor on the back. You have to press it hard and then, wow, that noise. Bam. Like a camera noise. 120 Hertz screen is extremely fast. Whoa, that is a snappy smartphone. Of course. Well, if you go to settings, system, and about the device, you have 3.2 GHz processor, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of ROM, Zenfone 10, Android 13, 140 Hz AMOLED screen. Okay. 4300 mAh battery with wireless support charging and dual stereo speakers. Smart screen settings, refresh rate. Where's 144? Because I don't see it. Maybe in games. The 194 refresh rate can be enabled in a game, genuine playing the mobile games. Okay, this will be in a full review, but in mind this is just an unboxing video. So, music.
Father, you should know I've been going solo. One my love, baby, earning. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go.
Very cool, very cool. What about something different? We always have to choose 2 in case of the copyright strike. Maybe this one.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life.
With a shortcut.
Ex, expired, exit.
Oops, sorry.
I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the
Wow,
start.
a lot of shortcuts.
Expired, exit from my life. Bye-bye.
Audio wizard.
I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies.
Wow, there's a difference.
I don't miss when
The amount of
you're
settings.
on every night. I'm done being chained.
That's
Done with
incredible.
your games. Done being played for your entertainment.
That is incredible. What amount of settings. It's pretty cool. Let's quickly hit the camera. Quickly. Selfie time. This is not a portrait mode. Selfie. Bam. Processing was very quick. It looks insanely good in a smartphone. Wow. Blur out camera. Video. How much do we have in here? How much resolution do we have? Okay, full HD in front facing camera and back. We have 8K, we have HDR, 4K 60, and 3 different video stabilization. If you go lower, okay, we have 3 different video stabilization, but if you go to the Pro Video, I think you could have more. See, 4 different video stabilization, but only in full HD. This one is for the 4K, but there's also a video stabilization for 8K, which is unheard of in any smartphone. Of course, we will have a little bit of crop, and this will be on a separate video, but there's an option in the Pro mode. What else do we have here in more? Pro Photo and Night. Photo, what if we go wide angle? Wow, it is wide. HDR, 4:3, 16:9. Selfie time again. Bam. There you go. There you go. Okay, let me show you some samples. Bear in mind, this is just unboxing. That is very impressive, my dear friend. Very impressive. Selfies. Ooh. Also very impressive. Kinda like it. Landscape. And a little bit of colors. There you go. There you go. A little bit of red. Another selfie with a beauty mode. That didn't came out really good. But the night mode is really impressive. Look at it. Look at it and respect it. Wow. Now that is a cool night mode. From a zoom. Very cool night mode. Maybe a video. The amount of edit we could have, of course we could share it. The amount of edit, look at it, wow, wow. Advanced, all kinds of different edit. You can do insane stuff. Look at it. Can blur. Now that is something which I didn't see in any other smartphone.
I like that sound. It's quite addictive. First impression, wow. It's so tiny that it will disappear in your pocket. For some, maybe too tiny. For me, it's at the very edge. I have a big hands. But I try to record in 8K for more than 15 minutes. It was exactly 16 minutes and it was still going. No overheating. Most of the smartphone has like cap, 5 minutes, 10 minutes max. This one was keep on going, like without the cap. That's a great success. Okay, I will make a separate 8K video, so subscribe, like, and of course, camera test and full review coming soon. First impression, it's fantastic.